In this video, I would like to share one very simple but very useful tip for you as a knitter. It doesn't matter, are you the beginner or you're already knitting longer time? I think this can be useful in both cases. When you casted on your project and you are looking forward to start your knitting, I recommend you to keep some 10 up to 15 centimeters long tail at the beginning of your project. Here is the casted on lines, and this is the yarn I casted on from and started my knitting. Why this is useful? For example, here I am knitting the sweater, and it looks exactly the same from both sides. Once you started your knitting, you often do it in several parts. Sometimes it lays down in the shelf for not just weeks but also for the months, and you are confused where you are in your knitting. Could I ask for some favor from you? If you like this video, please click a like button. Might leave some comments so I know what you liked exactly, what you would like to learn more. And please do not forget to subscribe for this channel as well. That will keep you on the track with all the videos I will share here. And also that will help me to create better videos for the future, so that you can get the most of this channel. As every knitting has a right side and a wrong side, so this tail, as I call it, it helps you to be sure on which side of the knitting you are. As I mentioned, especially in the knitting as I have here, where both sides of the knitting is exactly the same. So when you're knitting yarn, casted on yarn, leftover tail is on your right side, on your right hand, then that means you are working on your right side of the project. If you are knitting and on your right side there is no tail, that means you are working on your wrong side of the knitting. So this is really helpful small tip to keep you on the track and to understand on which side of the project you work. This is also very helpful in case you work with the round needles. It's as a guideline where you started your project on, but about this one I will create separate video. I will show you how you work with the round needles, how you check this tail in the round knitting. Have a good day, practice knitting, it's really fun, and enjoy!